tell us what you plan to do during those 60 days? And we heard walang pay, walang salary during those.
Well, yes. So, since I have no salary, I won't be able to pay rent. So, I'll be in a cardboard box outside my house.
So, eto na nga si Miao Saltik na si Kiko Barzaga na fresh from his 60-day suspension without pay and any benefits. Ibig sabihin, maling-mali na naman ang kanyang fake news last time na by December daw, tatanggalin na daw siya as may saltik at tama sa coconut shell na congressman.
Well, they plan on removing me from Congress within the next few months or within maybe this month.
Suspension lang naman pala ang kanyang penalty at tanggap naman daw niya.
I wholeheartedly accept the decision of the committee, but I maintain my stance that President Marcos must be held accountable for his crimes.
Baka next year na yung kanyang expulsion. So, abangan.
Outside of my house. Yeah, I'll be in a cardboard box and then I'll eat and sleep there. And since I don't have a salary, I no longer have money. So I have to eat cup noodles every day now.
I know you're being facetious, Kiko.
That's why I'm very happy that you provided free water.
No, sir, that's not free.
Pero ngayon, eto siya, nagpapa-victim. At akala niya nakakatuwa ang mga walang kwentang joke niya. Gustong gumaya kay Digongyo. Kaya chinek natin kung okay pa ang mental health ni Kiko sa kanyang yaya at kung kailangan na siyang dalhin ASAP sa Mandaluyong na kung saan talaga siya belong.
Asan si Sir Kiko? Ayun, sa labas, sa garden, nakatutulog sa karton. Kanina dinalhan ko siya ng almusal. Sabi niya, no yaya, I want to feel gutom. Siya, o di ko pinigyan. Tapos nakita ko bigla, gumugulong-gulong sa damo. Tapos sumisigaw siya, I'm being oppressed! I'm being oppressed! Oppressed. Kinagat lang yun ng langgam.